The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is a countertop appliance designed to bring the sonic ice experience. That soft, chewable, pebble-style ice you get at places like Sonic Drive-In or Chick-fil-A, right into your home, office, or even an outdoor gathering. It's been making rounds in the budget-friendly appliance space, and for good reason. Priced around $85, often discounted from nearly $190, it is one of the most accessible nugget ice makers on the market, making it a tempting option for first-time buyers or budget shoppers. But affordability alone doesn't make a product worth buying, so let's dig into what this machine actually delivers. The first and most talked about advantage of the Kismile is its noise level. Among countertop nugget ice makers, the Kismile is widely recognized as the best for quiet operation, making it the top option for open-plan living spaces and quiet offices. At just 43 decibels, one reviewer placed it on a kitchen counter open to the living room and could barely hear it running from the sofa 15 feet away. Significantly less intrusive than competing models. That is a genuinely impressive real-world advantage that many buyers overlook when comparing specs on paper. On the production side, the machine holds its own. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker produces 35 pounds of ice within 24 hours, with the first batch ready in as little as 7 minutes. That means you're not waiting around staring at your glass. Within a few minutes of turning it on, you have a usable batch of soft, chewable ice ready to go. The ice itself is made from crushed ice cut with blades, as opposed to traditional hard block ice, and has an optimal melting speed that preserves the original flavor of whiskey and cold drinks. If you're someone who takes their beverages seriously, iced coffees, cocktails, sodas, this is a real selling point because the porous texture of nugget ice absorbs drink flavors rather than just chilling them. The design and ease of use are also strong points. The machine measures 8.66 inches by 11.3 inches by 12.68 inches, compact enough to fit on any countertop without taking up too much space. Its transparent casing allows you to check ice storage at a glance, and the included scoop makes it convenient to access the ice. The self-cleaning function is equally straightforward and works well for a quick flush of the system. Maintenance, which is often the bane of ice makers, is also relatively painless here. By simply pressing the on/off button for 5 seconds, the machine activates the self-cleaning process. In just 15 minutes, you'll have a freshly cleaned machine ready to produce ice again. This keeps mineral buildup and odors at bay without requiring you to disassemble anything. Where things get more complicated is reliability and long-term durability. Some users have reported issues with the ice maker's durability, with instances of the machine ceasing to work after 2.5 months despite adherence to the manufacturer's guidelines, including bi-weekly cleaning and using filtered water. That's not a majority experience, but it's a pattern that shows up enough in reviews to warrant attention. At this price point, build quality is naturally a compromise, and the Kismile is no exception. The ice quality, while good for the price, is also not class-leading. The ice quality, though chewable and clear, is not as consistently crisp or slow-melting as higher-end units, like the GE Opal 2.0. If you have experience with premium nugget ice machines, the Kismile's output may feel slightly softer or less satisfying in texture. It's a noticeable difference for enthusiasts, though casual users are unlikely to complain. Storage capacity is another limitation. The ice basket holds about 1.5 pounds, so frequent refills may be necessary during larger gatherings. If you're throwing a party or have a large family constantly pulling ice, you'll find yourself scooping and potentially waiting on new batches more often than you'd like. The machine produces ice consistently, but the small bin means it doesn't stockpile well, and attention to maintenance, including bi-weekly cleanings and the need to occasionally redistribute ice to prevent jams, is necessary for smooth, ongoing operation. The Kismile is a solid pick for home users and small offices who want affordable, chewable nugget ice without spending $300 plus on a GE Opal. It's quiet, compact, easy to use, and gets the job done for everyday casual use, especially if you love iced drinks. That said, the small ice bin, modest water tank, and some durability concerns make it a poor fit for heavy use or large gatherings. At around $85, it's likely the best nugget ice maker you can find at this price. Go in with realistic expectations, stay on top of the cleaning routine, and it'll reliably upgrade your drink game without breaking the bank.